Today, I'm going to show you a true Chicago-style hot dog. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, when I moved to Chicago, I learned what a Chicago-style hot dog is. And now I want to show you what a Chicago-style hot dog really is.
So this hot dog might be a little worse for wear because I had to ride back with me from the restaurant. But what you can see here is we have a hot dog bun peppered with poppy seeds. And this bun is steamed. They aren't toasted, so it's got some nice soft texture to it. And then if we open it up here, you can see the main thing that we have is an all beef hot dog right in there. It is slathered with mustard. And what I've noticed is that they put like this big stick into their jar of mustard and then kind of slide it along the hot dog. Then we also have some relish under there, so you can see relish and chopped onions. Then we also have a couple slices of fresh tomato. We have a pickle, and then what they do is they sprinkle some celery salts, I think, on top of it. Now you might notice here that we're missing a couple things. Some people will say that you have to have those sport peppers on there, and they look kind of like jalapenos, but they're really sweet, and so some people will lay a couple of sport peppers on there. But the main thing that we're missing here
is ketchup.
And so I'm just gonna put a little bit of ketchup on here. You know, just give it a little dose of that delicious tomatoey goodness.
Now we've taken a Chicago-style hot dog and made it perfect. Delicious. Yeah. Delicious. If you want to know more about Chicago-style hot dogs, I'll put it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.